You got Reliance Infrastructure, which has opened almost 2% of the negative territory. NTPC is off. You got Satyam Computers, which is off 2%. ONGC is down about 2%. So the first sort of ticks coming in right now, 137 points down in the Sensex and 40 points off as far as the Nifty spot is concerned. So there you go. That's the big a tick right at opening. So it's not as bad as a lot of people thought it would be, at least not a panic sort of a situation right at opening. But that's also, mind you, because of the very simple fact that there is still, till the time we went into the opening, and a lot of people must be watching their screens, seeing the market open, nobody really had much in terms of clarity as to what's going to happen. But now things perhaps will pick up a little bit more in terms of steam. 133 points still off on the Sensex. Nifty is down about 17 to 20 odd points. Futures and option settlement also, remember, today. Namrata.
SEBI should have been more definite, at least, in making a categorical statement. We would have liked to see the SEBI chairman or spokesperson come on camera, or at least give a definite statement to the media and to investors and to the trading community about the exact nature and course of action given the kind of situation we are in. Very, very fragile situation on a human count. So that's going to be important. It's 1.5% off, but look at the stocks. Hotel stocks are bashed, so are airlines. It's a sentimental driven reaction. Indian hotels, 12% off. That hotel, of course, the staff in these hotels have been showing tremendous amount of courage. It would be unfair to say that security arrangements were inadequate, because in many ways they were never ever required. World over, you don't have such stringent checking of guest luggage, etc. But market will react in a sentimental fashion. You have EIH, or basically all the hotels coming into the red right now. Meanwhile, the index has bounced back into the green, so good to see that coming in. I don't know whether you'll call it courage or resilience. We don't even know the volumes which are being traded right now on the smaller stocks. Of course, the opening has just happened, so we'll have to wait for a couple of minutes to get a sense of whether volumes are matching up with averages. Today is supposed to be a high volume day given the settlement, but because of what is going on in the Mumbai attacks and the war against this terror, there could be many people choosing to lie low at this stage. But you've got the CNX 100 as well coming to the green. The BSE oil and gas is up. That's up about 0.25%, and so is the healthcare index, up 0.25%. Reliance Industries, ONGC are up 1.5% each. So the buying is happening in large cap names right now quite immediately. So Siemens is up 2.5%, HDFC Bank 2.5%, BHEL up 2% right now. Good to see that. Good to see it when people were fearing at least a technical slide happening. To give us more perspective, Ashok Jainani, VP Research and Market Strategy, Khanwala Securities, as well as Sanjeev Agarwal, Head Equity at Globe Capital Market, joined us. Appreciate you being here with us, gentlemen. Sanjeev, first to you. What do you read into this market opening? We've been trying to grapple with the fact whether it was a good decision or a bad decision, but now that we have it trading right now and it is up 1/3%, what do you make of it?
See, basically, like what we had predicted on Friday also, like on the last day of trading, that was on Wednesday, that the market may come down. Like we didn't expect the little terror of this kind, but anyway, the way market structure is worked like that, it may have come down to 2700 or 2760, and that is the seemingly the bottom of this current bear trend. Like we may be at the end of the finishing point of this total fall from 4650. Like though it looked like 2252 was the lowest point, but technically if we see, this may be the the ending point of the current total bear market. Like what we expect in the next coming days, the market should bounce back and strongly somewhere around 3250 to somewhere around 3800. That has been the range which has been the target area for this complete uptrend, and this should be a little sharper, though we might see again a down leg after that, but initially we should be going up.